All right, so let me just open up Sketchpad here. We're doing a previous problem, erase that. So I'm actually really excited about this problem. Limits are one of my favorites. And let's just write out what we have here. We have limit of, as x goes to infinity, of x squared over radical x to the fourth plus 9. And I'll just write that as 1/2. That's the same as square root. And double check that that's right. Yep. So the first thing we can do here, we notice we have an x squared at the top. We have an x to the fourth at the bottom. And this is a radical. So why don't we make everything a square root? So let's take the square root of the top too. So we can rewrite this. X goes to infinity of x to the fourth over x to the fourth plus 9. And now everything is to the radical 1/2, or the square root. And as you can see now, it's already starting to look easier. And now we see we have 2x to the fourth. So let's just divide everything within here by x to the fourth. And we can do that with fractions. You can divide the numerator by the same term as the denominator. It's perfectly legal. So you have 1 over 1 plus 9 over x to the fourth, and all of that is to the 1/2. So now we could kind of look at our limit. We see that x goes to infinity. What's going to happen to this term as x gets larger and larger? Well, the denominator is going to get larger and larger, and as you divide, I know this isn't real, you can't really divide by infinity, but as you divide by a larger and larger number, this approaches 0. So we can rewrite this as as x approaches infinity, since we don't have any x terms, we just say that's the same as 1 over 1 to the 1/2. And that's the same as 1 to the 1/2, the square root of 1, which just equals 1. So I hope that clears it up. If you have any other questions, just comment and I'll get to it as soon as I can. All right.